When I take volunteers or researchers or students out into the jungle and we find emerald tree boa or an Amazon tree boa or vine snake, and it's like it's one of the few animals, like you can't really catch a bird and show it to people. You're gonna scare the bird, its feathers are gonna come out, you might give it a heart attack. Snakes, you can lift up a snake. You know, if there's a snake in the room right now, I could lift it up and say, Lex, here, this is how you hold it. And we could interact calmly with this thing and then put it back on its branch and then it'll go. And I've seen what that does to people. And so to me, snakes have always been this incredible link to teach people about wildlife, about nature.